A minimalist kitchen is not only about clean lines and functional layouts. Color selection plays a crucial role in defining the atmosphere and visual appeal of the entire space. The right color palette can make a kitchen feel more open, brighter, and visually organized, supporting the minimalist principle of simplicity and harmony. Choosing colors may seem simple, but it requires careful consideration in balancing style, functionality, and personal taste. This video explores essential tips for selecting colors that align with minimalist design principles while elevating your kitchen's character. Understanding the role of color in minimalism. Minimalism emphasizes clarity and restraint. Each choice must be intentional and contribute to overall harmony. In kitchen design, color affects mood and emotional response. Soft neutrals evoke calmness, while dark accents create sophistication. Spatial perception. Light colors make small kitchens feel larger. Contrasting tones define architectural features. Consistency in design. A limited palette avoids visual clutter and maintains a clean aesthetic. The goal is to create a space that looks natural, balanced, and timeless. Prioritize a neutral base palette. Neutral tones serve as the foundation of most minimalist interiors. They provide a clean backdrop that enhances simplicity and order. Popular base colors include white, brightens the room and emphasizes cleanliness. Light gray offers subtle elegance without overpowering the space. Beige or cream adds warmth and comfort. Soft taupe creates a modern yet inviting atmosphere. A neutral foundation creates flexibility to introduce accents without disrupting the minimalist concept. Use color to highlight specific elements. Minimalist kitchens often rely on strategic focal points rather than many decorative pieces. Color can serve as a highlight to draw attention to. A unique backsplash, a stylish island countertop, beautiful natural wood cabinetry, sleek metallic hardware, or appliances. However, accents must remain limited. One or two highlight areas are enough to maintain a clean, structured visual flow. Incorporate natural tones for warmth. Minimalism doesn't mean the space should feel cold or sterile. Natural colors inspired by materials like wood, stone, or plants can introduce warmth and a more relaxed ambience. Examples include wood browns for cabinets or shelving, sage green for a calm and earthy touch, stone gray for backsplash or countertops. These tones also pair beautifully with neutral palettes, adding depth without clutter. Consider lighting effects before choosing colors. Lighting, both natural and artificial, can drastically change how colors appear. Before finalizing your palette, observe how colors look in daylight versus at night. Pay attention to shadows around cabinets and corners. Choose warmer whites for a cozy feel, or cool whites for a modern look. If your kitchen receives limited natural light, lighter colors are recommended to enhance brightness and openness. Define contrast wisely. Contrasting tones can bring dynamic character to a minimalist kitchen. But balance is key. Too much contrast creates visual noise. Effective ways to apply contrast. Dark lower cabinets paired with light upper cabinets. Black or deep charcoal hardware against white cabinets. Matte dark surfaces combined with glossy white tiles for texture variation. Use contrast to emphasize structure and form, not to overwhelm the design. Stick to a maximum of 3 main colors. A harmonious minimalist palette usually consists of dominant color, main background, walls, floors, cabinets. Secondary color, supporting surfaces, backsplash, countertops. Accent color, small targeted details, stools, utensils, decor. Keeping the combination simple ensures the kitchen remains visually tidy and cohesive. Choose finishes that support a minimalist look. Surface finishes influence how colors are perceived. Matte finishes reduce reflections and emphasize calmness. Satin or semi-gloss adds subtle elegance without being flashy. Natural textures like wood grain enhance character while staying minimal. Avoid overly shiny or ornamented finishes, as they can disrupt simplicity. Personalize thoughtfully with soft accents. Even in a minimalist space, personality matters. Consider adding minimalist-friendly accents such as pastel-colored dishware, a simple rug with muted tones, greenery to bring life and freshness. These accents can be easily changed when you want a fresh look unlike fixed elements like cabinetry or tiles. Test before finalizing. Color testing prevents costly mistakes. Before painting or installing major elements, apply sample paints to walls or boards. Compare in different lighting and angles. Ensure consistency with existing appliances and fixtures. Testing allows you to confirm aesthetic satisfaction before full execution. Timeless minimalist color combinations. Here are examples of popular color schemes that work well in minimalist kitchens. White plus gray plus black. Classic and modern. Perfect for sleek urban style. Beige plus white plus light wood. Warm, welcoming, and suitable for small kitchens. Charcoal plus white plus metallic accents. Adds luxury without complexity. Sage green plus stone gray plus white. Calm, refreshing, and naturally elegant. These palettes support simplicity while avoiding monotony. Conclusion. Color plays a fundamental role in strengthening the minimalist concept in kitchen design. With the right palette, a kitchen can appear more spacious, cleaner, and visually harmonious. A successful approach includes using a neutral base, adding subtle contrast, incorporating natural tones, and limiting the number of colors to maintain order. Always consider lighting and test colors before implementation to ensure the results align with your expectations. By choosing colors thoughtfully, you can create a minimalist kitchen that not only looks refined and modern but also feels warm, comfortable, and enjoyable to use every day. If designed with care, even the simplest space can radiate elegance and sophistication through well-coordinated color choices.